Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
If you've caught on to the K-beauty craze, then I'm sure you must have come across the term double cleansing. I wasn't too sure about it at first, but when I actually started trying it, I noticed how my skin felt different and it had a nice glow to it. So today I'm going to tell you all about the double cleansing method and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. First things first, what is double cleansing? It's a two-step cleansing process that has you starting out with an oil cleanser followed by a foaming cleanser. Yup, that's right. You need to use two cleansers to make sure that your skin is thoroughly clean. This method will also help your serum or night cream seep into your skin and work its magic. If you're someone who uses heavy makeup, then using an oil cleanser is a must for you. Not only does it remove your makeup, but it also draws out debris, SPF and pollutants. I'm using the green tea cleansing oil from Innisfree. Take a pea-sized amount of oil cleanser and gently massage it onto your skin while it's dry for about a minute. Do this in upward circular motions and make sure you cover your neck as well. Add a little bit of water so that it turns milky and massage your face for a few more minutes. Rinse your face with lukewarm water. After you've washed off the oil cleanser, just use a warm towel on your face for about 30 seconds. The heat and moisture from the towel will widen pores and lift up any dirt and oil trapped in them. Gently wipe your face after. You probably use a foaming cleanser already, but you need to make sure you choose one that suits your skin type. A foaming cleanser gets rid of all the dirt and sweat from your face, leaving it squeaky clean. Since I have dry skin, I'm using this hydrating foaming face wash from Biotique. Take a little bit on your palms and massage it on your face and neck using circular upward motions. Rinse it with lukewarm water and pat it dry. Once you're done, don't forget to apply some cream or serum to your skin to make sure it stays moisturized. You can ideally do this at the end of the day and incorporate it in your night skincare routine like I do. Trust me, this method is going to thoroughly cleanse your skin, leaving it deeply moisturized and healthy looking. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Also, check out the POPxo shop. We have some amazing stuff out there. We have hoodies, mugs, cushion covers and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you check that out and go crazy shopping. And for more such videos, stay tuned to POPxo Beauty. Bye-bye.